There, in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to remove GPO from a domain. For example, if you create some policy and in near future wants to remove those policies, then how it will be? So administrator choose group policy management, or you can even give a command gpmc.msc. So we landed on group policy management. Now domains technology TV, you can see the domain currently having three created GPO, and one is by default one. Now default domain policy and a domain controller default domain control policy, these two are default domain controllers policy. So these two GPOs are by default one, and you can even update those. Like goes to edit. For example, I have done quite a bit of updates. So for example, if those updates are necessary and if you're confident enough, for example, I created that policies, account policies, account lockout policy. So if you are quite sure about that these restrictions will be there in the domain all the time, then you can update that default one. Otherwise, not recommended, or basically you can create your own, because the created ones give flexibility to you, so that you by default can remove those in the future. But by default one, it's not recommended to remove, because then it might be create problem when you going to demote the domain. So might be because demotion require all the setup and all the options available, so might be you got the option. So it's better that you create a default one, not to edit default one and creates a new one for small GPO policies. So how to remove GPOs from the domain, how to unlink them? So you have two options: either delete from here, you got the cross option, or goes to here, action, delete. Do you want to delete this link? This will not delete the GPO itself. So basically it's a link we are going to delete, because we create a GPO and we link that, we linked it with domain. So we are basically deleting the link. Even from, for example, account GPO, I'm just deleting, for example, right click, delete, right click, delete. So delete. So this is only practice way that this is, since linking is there, we link the GPO and we just need to delete that link. Even as sales, couple of ways there, but GPO you will get a lot of GPOs in the group policy object option. You will get all created GPO in the list, and it will not delete. You can even in the near future can link it once again, and it's up to you. Whenever required, just link. So how to delete the GPOs? Well, again, it's not so hard. Just right click on it and delete. And do you want to delete this GPO and all links in this domain? This will not delete links in other domains. Means if you created the link to other domain, then will not delete, but it will delete from this domain. Yes, I'm quite sure. And you can even delete the main GPO. So keep on deleting. After deletion, make sure to update the group policy quite quickly and smoothly. Run the command gp update /force. So this will this will update your group policy. User policy update has completed successfully, and after some time it will be automatically updated in the domain. So I hope you learned something about how to remove GPO policies from the domain, how to delete the group policy. Thanks for watching.